Check out this 2007 BMW 3 Series. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Call today to schedule a test drive.